In this video, we're going to go ahead and get our spikes mirrored over. So now that all of our transforms have been reset to 0, what we can do is we can select one of our spikes, add a mirror modifier to it, make sure it's mirrored over on X, and that looks good. We're just going to go ahead and apply it. So the first one's done. We're going to do the same thing again. We're going to do this for each one of our spikes that we have to mirror over and make sure that we go ahead and apply the mirror transform. Okay, I'm going to pause this and I'll be back when all these are done. Okay, so now I've mirrored everything over and I've applied them all. So now we have all of our different spikes. Oh, I did miss one. Let's go ahead and add it and apply. There we go. So now we have all the spikes on the back. There's a few other ones, smaller ones. We're going to deal with those a little bit differently, and we're going to deal with them in the next video. But thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.